and what they both counters of their family. SHIB's recent performance, Shiba Inu has seen a gradual increase in its price over the past 2 months, with some analysts predicting a potential rally for the meme coin in the future. An influence of a Bitcoin ETF on SHIB. There is speculation that the launch of a spot Bitcoin ETF in the USA could positively impact SHIB and other cryptocurrencies. It might attract significant investment into the market. And now a very survival important point, and I want to make sure that their value of maybe weaved to SHIB safe, but that's the same way of its solution. The article also discusses SHIB's burning in Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme coin by market capitalization, and an asset that continues to capture much of the investors' attention, has experienced a gradual price appreciation in the past 2 months, rising by approximately 60%. Multiple crypto analysts believe this uptrend is just the beginning of an explosive rally that could take the token to new peaks. One person supporting that thesis is Jaladet, and finally, HateFi founder and CEO of the meme coin project, and his view, SHIB and Paul could benefit from the potential launch of the spot Bitcoin ETF in the USA, an event described by the H-Tier video short time, and the same executive as one of the biggest catalysts of all time. HateFi thinks the possible introduction of such a product in the USA would not lead to a buy the rumor, sell the news scenario, but allow a ton of big money to really flood the cryptocurrency market. He also predicted that the American regulators would approve numerous BTC ETFs, which could pave the way for the launch of other exchange-traded funds with different cryptocurrencies as underlying tokens. And last but not least, Ozone CEO presented a chart depicting gold's valuation and its massive price surge following the introduction of the first ETF based on the yellow medication in the US in 2004. The potential approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF in the USA is highly anticipated by crypto participants and investors, as it could indeed cause an uptrend for the entire sector. The existence of such a product in the world's largest economy can increase the accessibility for people to jump on the bandwagon and add another dose of legitimacy to the asset and the market as a whole. It would also show that regulators are not against the digital currency, possibly triggering a rising interest from institutional investors who would be able to enter the ecosystem without having to purchase amounts of the asset itself. Such factors could lead to a BTC rally, and historically such increases have positively affected numerous alternative coins, meaning Shiba Inu could be among the winners in the future. Other major elements that might result in a price rally for the self-proclaimed Dogecoin killer are its burning mechanism and the further advancement of its Layer 2 blockchain solution, Shiba. According to Shiba, the project witnessed a burn rate spike of almost 100% in the past week, resulting in over 17 billion tokens sent to an address that nobody needs to could access. The program aims to reduce the tremendous circulating supply of Shiba Inu and possibly make the asset more scarce and valuable in time. For its part, Shiba has reached numerous milestones lately. Daily transactions on the network have been in the millions since the beginning of December, with total transactions standing just every shy of the 200 million mark. Those curious to find out more about Shiba, its purposes and specifics, could take a look at our dedicated video below